Hey all my beautiful producers, happy Valentine's Day. Let Cupid give you a little kiss real quick. Mwah. I hope you're all having a great Valentine's Day. I understand if you're not, you might be single and alone, nobody to give you chocolates, but hey, it's okay, because CRYPTIK is going to give you samples instead. I know it's not the same as love and romance and chocolate, but hopefully it'll be something. Hopefully it'll brighten your day a bit. So keep on watching, and I'm going to get into this little surprise that me and my community have been cooking up for you. Alright guys, so as promised, I am here with my Valentine's Day surprise for you guys. I've got the 69th Dimensions V-Day care package sitting in front of me. It is a humongous sample pack full of pretty much all the samples you need to keep you tided over for a while. Before we go into the pack and show you what's in here, what's available to you, and how to get it downloaded for free, by the way, I do want to give a humongous thank you and appreciation to all the people in my Discord community. Our Discord server is called the 69th Dimension. It's the best dimension, and it's a dimension full of love, passion, and kindness towards one another, and that's what these packs exemplify. It's just a community full of good people just trying to help out fellow producers. And so I really want to just give some appreciation to all of them. All of their links are both in this little notepad in the pack, as well as in the description below. We also have the Discord link in the description below if you'd like to join and be a part of future community packs, as well as I do music reviews and production tutorials on my YouTube channel. And so definitely subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Definitely give the video a like so more people can benefit from this pack. And yeah, if you want to join the Discord and submit to future community packs or be part of music reviews, I always try to incorporate my community into my videos any way I can. It's a lot of fun. But with that being said, let's go ahead and break into the pack. Now, if you are impatient and you don't really care what's in the pack, you just want a free sample pack, the link is in the description. It goes to my website, sonicweaponry.com, and all you have to do is just click add to cart. It's free. It shouldn't ask you for any payment information. I think the only thing it may ask you for is your email. I don't even know if that's required. It's my first time dropping a pack on my store for free. I usually just give a download link, but I figured I do have this sample pack and preset company that I'm planning on starting up soon, so might as well just put the link on the store. Full transparency, it also helps generate some traffic to the store, but don't feel obligated to buy anything. This is just purely kindness, trying to help people out, give them some free quality samples. So that being said, let's jump into the pack. It is a really fun pack. It's also kind of insane how many samples people submitted. I'm really proud of it. It was a lot to format. I went through a lot of them. Some of the samples weren't quite up to quality, so I did have to do some extra processing on my own and relabel everything, so it was a lot of work. So I really hope you guys appreciate the work that we put into this, and I hope you guys find a lot of value from this pack. So to start things off, we have some vocals here. I have a text-to-speech pack of a bunch of different phrases and funny dumb shit in there. We've got Ztork's lovely ass sentences. These are kind of Valentine's Day themed stuff, like I want to be with you. I love you. Be my Valentine. You make me smile. So just cute stuff like that. We definitely tried to play up the Valentine's Day vibe in this pack.
I love you.
So yeah, some good stuff like that. We got one shots. We got some loops that I made. We also have got some presets. We have some assorted Harmor presets by some. I believe it's just 2 or 3 in there. But if you use Vital, 3 random new presets you can try out. We also have a bunch of assorted Vital presets. Let me go ahead and open these up. So yeah, we have a couple from just random people who submitted Vital presets. I went through all of them to make sure there's something actual useful and quality, so you should find some value in these Vital presets. I also made a bunch of wavetables from different pictures of hearts that I found on the internet. That was really fun. You can use these wavetables in any wavetable synth. And then I also made a few presets of my own out of those wavetables. I think each preset uses at least one of the wavetables in it. So that would just be fun if you want to reverse engineer it, use them for whatever. I hope you enjoy them. Next, we've got a bunch of melodic elements. So we'll start things off with the loops. Obviously, there is a lot of loops in here, and a good couple of them have the MIDI provided. That's going to be something I'm going to try to do more of moving forward in future community packs, is including all of the MIDI, because that's a pet peeve of mine. I hate getting sample packs with like complex loops and then they don't provide the MIDI. It just doesn't make sense to me. So I tried to get as much MIDI as I could. Obviously there's still a lot without MIDI, but it's still some quality loops. We'll go through a couple real quick. So we got Freaks. Freaks bringing the vibes. We got some pianos. Some kawaii stuff. We also have one-shots. Just different various melodic one-shots. Some color-based stuff. Let's see what else. Oh, we got a bunch of glitch Foley. That's some weird shit. But yeah, and I'll probably throw in some of my own glitch Foley in there. I just realized. Next, we've got some atmospheres and textures, some beautiful pads, some synth dirt to layer with your synths, just random white noise stuff. This is apparently we're in Red Spaceship making love. We got some downers. We got some impacts. Beautiful. Got some risers, of course. And then next we got some fills. Some beautiful dubstep fills. Some just weird fills like that. A bunch of drum loops. And the cool thing about this pack is that we cover kind of a lot of genres. This is definitely focused more on dubstep and bass music, but this pack can be used in all sorts of genres. So that's something I'm really proud of for the variety in these packs. Got some hat loops, rides, some build-up stuff. Then the one-shot drums, we have quite the handful of samples. We got some really heavy hardstyle kicks. We got some lovely ass claps from Ztork. I know I'm going to be using these claps a lot. We've got some lovely ass snares from Ztork. We've got just a slew of claps, kicks, hi-hats, snares, kick clap, random perk, snaps. So a lot of stuff to go through in there, a lot of quality drum samples. Then we come to the basses, of course. This wouldn't be a community full of bass heads without some basses in the pack. So we're going to start off with H, this amazing sound designer in our server who does some crazy shit with frequency shifters, as you can hear. So yeah, he gets weird with the frequency shifters. We definitely love it. Next, we've got some weird shit from RollTheRed. Now that's definitely more experimental. I'd definitely be interested to see what you guys do with that. Next, we've got some rhythm from BeanieGod. Some gnarly dubstep stuff. And like I said, we've got influences from all over. It's not just one style. Trying to be Subtronics, there you go. Just some weird shit. And again, just 2 corresponding midis for I believe it's this one. It's just analog Reese, and then this futuristic bass guitar. And then finally we've got some one-shots. So yeah, that should be more than plenty of freaking amazing free samples given to you guys by my amazing community. Again, I can't thank them enough. We do have one final folder in here called, it's under the bonus secret sauce, keeping in tradition with our last pack, which by the way, definitely check out our last pack. It's on my YouTube channel. It's our free Christmas pack. Definitely worth checking out if you want some more samples like this. But yeah, this is the secret dank meme section of the samples. You'll find some funny stuff in here. I'm not going to go through it because I'm going to let you guys go through it yourselves. It'll be really fun. But with that being said, that is the entirety of the 69th Dimensions V-Day care package. I really hope you guys enjoy this. It was a lot of fun to put together. Even though it was hard work, we all had a blast making these samples, and I can't wait to put out more community packs in the future, to be honest. And again, Discord link is down in the description. We'd love for you to join our community. And yeah, my name is Cubic. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your Valentine's Day, or if you're watching this after Valentine's Day, I hope you just enjoy these samples, and please let me know if you make anything cool with it. I'm definitely excited to see what sorts of cool shit you guys use these samples for. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.